Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a haul on some gemstones that I got from Hobby Lobby. And the majority of them are on clearance, so that's why I wanted to do this haul video. Even if you're not looking for gemstones, this is just a good tip to keep an eye out for the yellow tags when you go to Hobby Lobby. So without further ado, we will start on what I purchased on clearance. So one of my favorite things is these graduation cap gemstones. They were originally $3.99 and I paid $1. And as you can see, I got quite a few. I actually made my niece a graduation cup and I've already sent that to her in the mail, so I don't have it for you. But you can visit my Instagram and my Etsy, and those links will be in the description of this video. But these are very easy to use. You would think that you would have to take each gem apart, and you really don't. They're all stuck together. So if you want to use that cap to put on your project, you just pull it up and place it on your project. And then the next gemstone that I was excited about were these footballs. Same thing, regular $3.99. I paid $1. I also paired that with these paw prints, regular $1.99. I paid 50 cents. And just to show you what I did with those, I actually made a Kahoma, Texas, Kahoma Bulldogs insulated tumbler. And I added the rhinestone footballs. And I also made some vinyl decals for the C and the Bulldog. And then at the bottom, I added the rhinestone paw prints. And then once I was done adding everything, I went over it with a coat of epoxy just to seal it all in. So I thought that was pretty neat. And then I also have these gemstones. They are regular $3.99. I paid $1 each. And they're just different color gemstones, big sheets. You can actually cut them up or use them one by one, however you see fit, whatever works for your project. But I got some pink, some purple, some lime green, and some blue. And these were all regular $3.99. I paid $1 each. Now these turquoise ones were not on clearance. They were $3.99. Had to pay full price. But they were just too pretty to leave behind, so I paid full price for those. And here is the colors up close. And I actually went to Hobby Lobby today and the gemstones were half off. I found these. I just thought they were kind of cute. They look like little gemstones. And some little diamond ones. They're regular $2.99. I paid 75 cents. So these were a lot of really good deals on the gemstones. They're doing their reset right now, it looks like. So they were pretty cheap. These are some really pretty blue ones. I also got some leopard print gemstones. Regular $2.99, paid 75 cents a piece. A lot of this stuff I just want to use to put on my cups. Make some more cups. No, these aren't gemstones, they're called bubble abilities, but I'm also working on decorating my niece's graduation party. So I did also get these to add to some of the decorations. They are raised, they are bubbly, so if I do add them to drinkware, I would seal them with epoxy, but if not, if they're just going on vases for decoration or anything, then they'll be fine by themselves. But these were regular $2.99 and I paid 75 cents for these. Now, as I mentioned today when I went, the gemstones were half off, so I was able to get a new cap and some footballs. They're quite different from the ones that I showed you before. But these were $1.99, got them half off for $1, so I really couldn't beat that. They're different than the ones from earlier. They look more like patches with some gemstones on them. I'm fixing to work on a second cup. Someone ordered a graduation cup from me to make. And then I also found these ice creams with the little gem at the top, ice cream cones. These were $1.99, I paid 50 cents. Now these gemstones, they were falling all over the place. I think that's why maybe nobody wanted to really get them. But they're gonna be fine at the end of the day. If anything, I just have to put my own glue. But these were $3.99. I paid $1 a piece. This one has some, a little bit of greenish color, purple, champagne, rose, and then this one was red, orange, green, and yellow. And then they have glitter in them, of course. So I just thought those were really cute. I can use them for almost anything. Maybe just some embellishments when I make a cup if I need something extra. This one I like. It reminds me of those dot candies when you were a kid. They're regular $7.99 and only paid $2. So that was a really good deal. It has some lime green, pink, teal color, purple, red. And then like this, like with the other ones, you can cut them out, make shapes. You can use them one by one, however you prefer. They all have self-stick back, but you can always put extra glue on them if you don't feel secure with those. I also found some stickers in the scrapbooking section. Those were on clearance too. So I got some J's for Jason. They're $3.99. I paid $1. I also got some eyes for my niece Ivy. She's the one having a graduation party. And then I found some flamingos. $3.99. Paid $1. I just had to get the flamingos. I'm also going to try washi tape. This one has like a frosting and then also some ice cream. It was regular $4.99. I paid $1.25. I want to try to use that as a border on some of my cups as well. Spare parts. I know a lot of crafters know this brand. They had some clearance as well. These I got 5 of. They have a donut, an ice cream, a pizza, french fries, ice cream sandwich, and they're regular $3.99, paid $1, and then same with these. These are glasses, $3.99, paid $1. I just thought those would be cute. What I do when I make my cups, aside from, putting that stuff on it and coating it, I have charms that I put on the side as well. So you'll see with this one, I have the glitter, the vinyl. I've coated it with epoxy so that it's all sealed in. But I've also added a jump ring to the side. And with that jump ring, I make a keychain or a purse charm. And the purse charm you can add to the side of the cup. This one I made a rainbow with the clay, and then a pom-pom, rainbow pom-pom. And that's on there with the charm on the jump ring. So while you're using it, you can drink out of it, have this cute little charm on the side, just like you would with a purse. And then whenever you're ready to go wash it, all you have to do is unclip the charm. And then you wash the cup as normal. This little jump ring is sterling silver, so it's not going to get messed up or rusted whenever it's getting washed. And with the epoxy, it should be dishwasher safe. I would still recommend just hand washing it, but once you're done washing it and it's dry, you just clip back on the little charm, and there you go. And you can put any charm on it. If you find a keychain later, you can always put that on there as well. But I just thought that was a cute little addition. I haven't really seen any cups like this. I've seen the customized ones, but not with the little charm. So I thought I'd add my own little flair to that. And that's why I got some of these things, little charms, so when I'm making them, I can either make them out of clay or I can use these little charms that are already made, just to add some extra stuff to it. So there's the food up close. And little glasses. Now this gemstone was not on clearance. I had to pay a full price for this one. I don't even think I got the 40% off because I bought something else that I got a 40% off on. But this one I just thought was so cool, and I want to make a cup for myself using this gemstone. It reminds me of like those bracelets, the really pretty rhinestone bracelets. So I want to add that to my cup and then coat it with epoxy so that it doesn't get taken off. I also got some tassels, just the same as the charms. That way I can put them on the side of the cup. So these were $5.99, I only paid $1.50, so that's really good. And then today I found these charms. I was like running out of time because the store closes at 8 and I was cutting it really close. But as I was in the bead section, a lot of the beads have the yellow tack. So I need to go back and see what else they have. But I grabbed this. It just has 5 arrows. It's regular $4.99, paid $1.25. And this would be good too for making the keychains or the purse charms or the tumbler charms. And again, please check out my Instagram and my Etsy so you can see some other things that I have. I have some purse charms, specifically 4 purse charms, and then I also have some cups that have the charms on the side. So those links are in the description. I also found some scrapbooking stickers on sale, 62 cents, and they're regular $2.49. So these would also be good for a cup, because where, like, I have the vinyl and I used my Cricut to cut that out, but I can use also these full color stickers and make a cup with these on here. So I have that hunting one. I found this one with all kinds of cute kitties. And then I have this one for little kids, because I can make like little kid tumblers. There's pirates and princesses. And these were all 62 cents. And then also just some butterflies. This one, they're a little thicker, so I don't know how they would work on the cup, but it doesn't hurt to try. And I also have these. They are 75 cents, regular $2.99. I got 3 of these, or 4 of these black ones. They just look like bubbles to me. So it's like a string of bubbles, but they're black. So I don't know if maybe if I did like a villain cup, maybe Ursula, I could use some black bubbles instead of pearly white bubbles for her cup. And then I do want to make an Ariel cup, so I had to get some pearly bubbles. And I went with 2 different ones. So these big ones are on clearance for 75 cents. but this one was full price. But I wanted to have the option to do little bubbles or if I wanted to do big bubbles, so I went ahead and just got both. And then I found some Princess with the little bubbles, and then it also has crowns, so that's really cute. And that would be good for like with these princess stickers, if I made a little kids cup with some princess stickers and then a little princess border, and then I could coat it with epoxy, so that would be really cute together. And I found these bubbles too. They're all different colors, but I just thought it was really cute. It looks like maybe like unicorn bubbles, so it could be used as a unicorn border. I also just wanted to bring up the fact that not only if you're looking for gemstones, but just keep an eye out for, you know, the clearance tags, the yellow tags. So these are regular $6.99. It's got that base. It's with that like pretty pink stuff in Hobby Lobby. So it's got the cup. It's attached to the back. You put it up with the nail. And then it's got the little jar. So I just got a bunch of flowers from Dollar Tree. And I bought 3 of these jars. And you can definitely check out my Instagram so you can see pictures of it. But 3 of these jars full of flowers on the wall, $12. I mean, come on. Crap room decor made cheap. So definitely keep an eye out for these yellow stickers. They were all over the store. They are doing a reset right now in Hobby Lobby. So you just want to keep an eye out for those stickers. And if you would, please like my video and also subscribe if you want to see more of these hauls. Also, maybe leave me a comment if you want to see my process of making the cups or making any of my crafts. I just kind of want to see if anybody wants to see me making things like this. Alright guys, well I hope y'all have a great night. Thank you.